lovely people, welcome to my channel. This is Naturally DCS TV, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use rice water and aloe vera oil to moisturize your hair. Yes, to moisturize your natural hair for a quick growth. Now, before we get into the video, if today is your first time watching my videos, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, and also share to your friends. When you press the bell icon, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's get into the video. Now I'm going to take my hair bonnet off, and this is my natural hair. You know, I have been natural for 6 years. Yes, I've been natural for 6 years, but being consistent applying Ayurvedic products and my own organic DIY oils, it's been about 1.5 years. Yes, I started in October 2018, and it's been 1.5 years, I guess. So as you can see, I had a long-term braids, having my hair in braids for about 3 months. Yes, for about 3 months. So I've decided to give my hair a break. Yes, a break from the hair that I made. So in my video today, I'm going to show you how. Yes, so this is how you go ahead with the detangling process. It's really dry. My hair is really dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my rice water. This is rice water infused with orange peels that we made. So for it to smell good, yeah. So I'll go ahead, and that's my aloe vera oil that I made. I showed you the other time. So I'm going ahead with this. Alright, so after applying I'll go ahead with my white comb. Yeah, so I'm going to retwist it. So I'm taking the next one. To spray the rice water. Then I'll go ahead with my oil. is just a normal, so I'm going to do the rest off camera. So guys, it's left with the last one to do, and I'll do trimming very soon. So you know, my hair shrink a lot, and a shrink hair is the healthiest hair of all. Yes, my hair shrinks so much that for me, I'm not bothered. All that I am interested in is for my hair to moisturize, to be easy combed. Yes, so as you can see, I'm done with applying my rice water. So I'm going to spray all around it. Going with the eggs. The eggs is mostly important. Yeah. So yes. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also to share to your friends to know how to moisturize their hair to prevent their hair from breaking, and also for easy managing of their natural hair to grow very quick and fast. Yes, as you can